Today we are going to discuss about assign values to multiple variables. Normally we use separate lines for assign values to variables like this: x, y, z equal 10 equals something. Normally we use this, but at the one line we can create multiple variables and assign values. That how? X, y, z equal. Now you can enter values for this. I give it value as like this. Now you can print value separately. Using separate lines, you can print your values. See, but you can print all these values at the one line. I use print x. You should use concatenate and y plus z, but we can use the concatenate in Python for strings value. 12 is integer. You should convert it into the string value. Using str, you can do it. 78 is the float value. You should convert it into the string value like x. Now I want to move the y's value to the next line. How can we do this? I use \n in double quotes. Now I can print y's values second line, as well as we can use it for the z value. Now you can print separate lines. Without this, you can print your values, but all are in the same line. See, now you can see our variables in the same lines. Without casting, we can use different methods to get our value to the next lines. How? Without str method, you can use fstring. Let's see how can do it. print sorry, you should type F outside the quotes. Now you can print your values like this. You can use another method for this. You can use this as well. Sep equal slash. It tells to Python use next line. Now you can print your values separately, line by line, from this. See,